In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export code directly from Figma Make. This is useful when you want to turn your design into usable HTML, CSS, or React code without manually recreating everything. Figma Make can generate structured code from your design elements, making it a great starting point for developers or for handing off work to your team. Start by opening the design you want to export. Make sure your layout is complete or at least in a state where you're ready to generate code. Now look at the right-hand side of the screen. When you select your design elements, you'll see a code preview appear. This preview shows you the generated code for your selection, whether it's HTML, CSS, React, or another format depending on what the tool supports. If you want more detailed code, make sure you've selected a larger layout or complete frame. Once you're ready to export, look for the code panel's options. You'll find an export or copy button directly inside the code preview. You can either copy the code to your clipboard or download it as a file, depending on what you need. If you're sending the code to a developer, copying it is usually quickest. If you're saving it for a project, exporting it as a file keeps it organized. If you want cleaner results, it helps to structure your design properly before exporting. Use frames, auto layout, consistent naming, and grouped elements. The better your design is organized, the better your exported code will look. Once you've copied or downloaded your code, you can paste it into your project or share it with your team. Figma Make's code export won't replace handwritten production code, but it's an excellent starting point and speeds up the build process significantly. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can turn your design into usable code directly inside Figma Make.